Whoa! Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone. My name is Go Jae Young. Alright, let's go and join to my dinner tonight, yo. This is my dinner tonight. You know that? You know me? Well, if you don't know me, my name is Gu Jae-hong. I'm from South Korea. That I'm located in Los Angeles, California, and now I'm here in the Philippines for my long vacation. But I want to decide. I want to permanent resident in your country. Oh, I love that. I love that. Let's go in it. And this is my ulam sardines in the Philippines. Yeah, I love sardines in the Philippines. What do you like? Sardines in the Philippines? What do you like? Brand of sardines. Mega sardines or Youngstown sardines? I don't know that. But sardines is masarap in the Philippines. And I have vinegar. Vinegar. I have a vinegar. Spicy vinegar. Yeah, brown vinegar and spicy vinegar. I love that. And this is, what's this? Oh, look at this. It's very yummy. It's very delicious, yo. And this is, what is this? It's chicken fried. And this is, the rice is, that is ball.
Unggoy!
Ball rice. And, ball rice and so to the sardines and, eat that. I love that. It's very delicious. So this is very fantastic in the Philippines, Oh, do you like this? I love this. I love this conversation. I love this day tonight because, I have a favorite ulam in the Philippines. And for your information, I'm here in the Philippines because I love food in the Philippines. The Philippines is very nice. The food is very delicious. The people is very caring. Yeah, very mapiling. No, just is joking only. Alright, and come and eat. It's very yummy, Yummy, dinner time. I love that. How are you today to all my fans? Hello to all my fans and to all my subscribers, to my followers and my viewers. Hello to all. I'm Good Jay Young. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, baby. Yeah, I'm so very handsome. I'm so very handsome guy. Do you know that? Do you know that? And this is my favorite ulam in the Philippines, sardines and nilagyan ng sibuyas, onion. In the English, onion. Sibuyas in Tagalog. And the rice is bilog-bilog, bola-bola, sinasaw-saw sa sardinas. yeah, that's right. Oh, it's very nice, yo. I love that. I love that. Yan, to all my viewers, how are you? How are you today? Yan, I love you very much. Mahal ko kayo. Yeah, I'm very sorry to my Tagalog because I don't know Tagalog. I'm English only, yeah. I'm English only. English only. Yeah, I'm speaking English only. I know Tagalog, but it's like only Tagalog. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Oh, it's very delicious. Dinner time, and this is simple food. But I'm nabusog. Yeah. I'm nabusog. And you know that? Oh, look at this, look at this. It's very delicious.